We'll trust the vaccine because we are Indians, right? So definitely I'll trust the vaccine. But still, most of the people are not taking, and we hope that COVID won't affect us.
Again, I will. I mean, that is a big thing that he took the vaccine, so we all should as well. But I don't know if it is political agenda or if it actually very is genuine. My name is Arbaz.
What do you do?
Currently, I'm a writer.
Okay, so are you willing to take the COVID vaccine?
See, I am willing to, but then only after a certain period. मतलब थोड़े टाइम के बाद मैं लूँगा इंशाल्लाह, because अभी अफवाहें बहुत फैली हुई है and I don't know what to believe and what not to believe. So inshallah, if the vaccine is going well, then I will.
सर आप कौन से अफवाहों की बात कर रहे हैं, मतलब क्या हो रहा लोग वैक्सीन लिए तो?
जब पहले वैक्सीन रिलीज हुई थी, सुनने में आया था कि देयर आर 11 पीपल हु टुक द वैक्सीन एंड दे हैड अ लॉट ऑफ कॉम्प्लिकेशंस. बहुत सारे लोग को प्रॉब्लम्स हुए थे एंड थोड़े से आई थिंक 2 या 3 लोग मर भी गए थे, जितना मैं सुनने में आया था, जितना पढ़ने में आया था इनफैक्ट. तो या वो चीज़ को मतलब मेरे दिमाग में रखते हुए आई विल टेक द वैक्सीन, बट ओनली इफ इट इज़ इफेक्टिव ऑन द रेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल. बिकॉज सी देर आर पीपल जिनको बहुत सारे हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स भी है. अगर वो हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स को दिमाग में रखे तो वैक्सीन काम करेगी नहीं करेगी पता नहीं.
अभी परसों हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी भी ले लिए वैक्सीन, उनका वो देखे बाद भी आपके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आया?
कॉन्फिडेंस आया तो सही थोड़ा बहुत कि हाँ अगर इन्हों ले रहे तो हमको लेना चाहिए, बट हाउ क्या बोल सकते हैं उसको, कितनी बिलीवेबल चीज़ है वो कि वैक्सीन थी नहीं थी. इज इट अ पब्लिसिटी स्टंट, इज इट नॉट अ पब्लिसिटी? बिकॉज जितना मैं पढ़ा वैक्सीन लेते टाइम पे देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ पॉलिटिकल एजेंडा मिक्स इन दैट एज वेल. ठीक है, बोला था कि नर्सेज यहाँ से बुलाए थे वहाँ से आए थे एंड देन इलेक्शंस के टाइम पे हुआ है इनफैक्ट. सो अगेन आई विल, I mean that is a big thing that he took the vaccine, so we all should as well. But I don't know if it is political agenda or if it actually very is genuine.
अच्छा, और बीच में जो है हमारे पॉलिटिकल एक्सपर्ट्स बोल रहे थे एक पार्टी के कि गौमूत्र पीने से भी आपका कोरोना वायरस क्यूर हो जाता. तो व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट दैट? आप पिए क्या गौमूत्र? आप ट्राई करेगा?
देखिए, जितना मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव है, जितना मेरा ओपिनियन है गौमूत्र एंड कोरोनल के ऊपर, आई थिंक ये पूरा सिचुएशन इज़ वो मुहावरा है ना, क्या कहते हैं उसको, अपने मुंह में मिट्ठू. सो इट्स लाइक खुद बनाए तो खुद तो बोलेंगे कि हाँ हमको तो अच्छा लगा, हम तो
बीजेपी लीडर्स बनाए गौमूत्र.
हाँ, तो अपने मुंह में मिट्ठू, सीधी बात. बाबा रामदेव इज अ पार्ट ऑफ बीजेपी. इफ यू लुक एट इट वो तो
नॉट अ मेंबर ना.
या बट ही इज लिंक्ड विद इट, ही इज डायरेक्टली लिंक्ड विद बीजेपी. सो इफ यू लुक एट इट, वो तो बोलेंगे ना कि अरे हाँ इनका तो सही है, इनका ले लो. बट क्यों ले हम, जब वो टेस्टेड नहीं है, ट्राइड नहीं है, पब्लिक यूज नहीं कर रही, बिक नहीं रहा, तो हम क्यों ले?
ठीक है, सही बात है. ओके, थैंक यू सर. ओके, हेलो मैम, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
आई एम क्रांति.
Are you willing to take the COVID-19 vaccine?
Yes, why not?
So what do you have to say about the rumors that are floating around regarding the vaccine?
I know the rumors are really bad and they make you think whether you should go for it or not. But I have a few close relatives or friends who have taken it and I trust them. Basically, I have my husband who's suffering with diabetes and my father who's aged. So there are 2 people whom really considered about. So that's why we want to take it so that we can at least be little tension free when we come out. Yeah.
Okay, so what do you have to say to the people who are believing in such rumors?
I would say don't believe those rumors. At least see, definitely government has been trying to get these vaccines since quite some time, and they want something good for the people. That's the reason why they have they have definitely there's a lot of research has gone through to get this vaccine. So please trust them. Maybe it will work out good for us. Though I have a little one scenario that it said, I read in the paper that the vaccine's effects last for like 8 months or so. That is something we have to go for the pre-vaccine and all that stuff. I don't know how long the circle will go on. Okay. That's the only problem, because I don't know for how long COVID is going to last. Okay. Right? So that's the only drawback.
Like Donald Trump said that it will go suddenly and it will disappear without leaving a trace. What do you say? What do you have to say about that?
No, I don't believe. I mean, I really don't follow Donald Trump for that matter. But then that is all. We all know what it is. We all have seen what COVID is and what it has done for us. Right? In one year, I have seen lockdown. We have seen so many. I mean, I am like 90s child. So I used to think that we have seen a lot of things going disappearing and all, like the landlines, and the kids who are born in this generation would not know about it. But I never knew that I'm going to see COVID also, a pandemic, which has happened, right?
Yeah.
We never thought of all these things, but this is a rumor that it will just vanish one day. In fact, in India, people have they are thinking that it is gone after Diwali.
Yeah, even some experts are saying that if you drink Gaumutra, it will cure your COVID.
It doesn't work that way. It doesn't. It's scientific. It is a very serious disease. People think without wearing mask they can get going with that, but it doesn't work like that. You have to be protective. You have to wear mask. You have to do the social distancing. Only then you can take care of yourself and your
What
loved
do you do?
ones.
So I work for stem cell banking.
So have you taken the COVID-19 vaccine?
No, not yet.
Is there a particular reason, or are you just waiting for everyone to take it and then you'll take it?
So like that only, because most of the people have negative feedback about vaccine, Indian vaccine. So even very recently I heard that a few people were died after taking vaccine. That's why we haven't.
So you don't trust the vaccine completely?
It's not like that. So because the efficacy of the vaccine should go into the market, then only we can take, no?
Okay, so right now you don't trust the vaccine, and
We'll trust the vaccine because we are Indians, right? So definitely I'll trust the vaccine. But still most of the people are not taking, and we hope that COVID won't affect us. Maybe.
so
because
COVID won't affect you at
it's
all?
not like that because we are taking our precautions and everything. So when we go out, when we go to hospitals, we are taking all the precautions and we are going and meeting the clients as well.
So taking the precautions is enough right now?
It's not like that. We have to take vaccine.
Okay. So what do you think about the Coronil that Baba Ramdev released? How effective do you think it is?
So Baba Ramdev means sorry because I don't trust him because he is just an advertiser.
Okay.
I can say one thing. He is just an advertiser because he is not into medical, and he is into some other thing. And if a medical person or like a doctor suggests us, definitely we will go with that.
Okay.
So if Baba Ramdev comes and gives an advertisement for Atta and all these things, and again he comes for giving a vaccine advertisement, we don't take it.
Myself, my name is Srinivas.
Okay, what do you do?
I am working in medical company.
Have you taken the COVID-19 vaccine?
No,
Why?
because of there are rumors regarding the vaccine.
Okay, so do you know if those rumors are from official trusted sources, or are those just WhatsApp forwards?
It may be depend upon the people, na.
You don't want to take the risk basically?
Yeah, because it is a life. It is not an thing.
Okay.
We are risking our life, not a thing. So after taking all the members, we can take the vaccine.
Okay, so you'll take it in the last after everyone's taken. Okay, good idea, sir.
So after all the patients will suffer, after thing we will take the vaccine. No.
Okay, thank you, sir. Hello, ma'am. What's your name?
Raja Farhan.
Have you taken the COVID vaccine, or are you willing to take the COVID vaccine?
I am when we are allowed to take it, basically, because right now the older people are getting the priority.
So, what do you think about the rumors that are floating around regarding the vaccine?
I think that they're mostly given by anti-vaxxers who believe that vaccine is not necessary to better your life. But I haven't heard many. I just know that some people just don't want to take it because they're suspicious of it. I don't see a reason to be.
Okay, there have been reports of people dying after taking the vaccine because of reactions, and people have a lot of side effects. There are rumors about it. So, what do you think about those?
I know there are side effects, but the side effects are basically they show that it's working on you because it's supposed to happen like with any vaccine. So I don't think that people are dying, but I don't know, so I can't say much about that.
And there has also been rumors that they're installing chips in your body, by which they will monitor everything that you're doing, and it will turn into a police state. So, what do you think about that?
I don't know anything.
You don't know.
So,
Okay, so what do you have to say to the people who are not confident in the vaccine?
well, I am going to be taking it, and I want to take the chance and have trust in the government that they're doing this for us, and it's not just a performative thing from their side. You know.
Okay, thank you. Hello, sir.